The greatest turntables may make a significant impact in your music listening experience. The best record players of 2022 are nothing like the clumsy old turntables you may have stashed away in a closet. We have no doubt that the Audio-Technica at LP120XBT is the greatest turntable for most individuals out of the thousands available. It's not only the sound, which is crystal clear and free of blemishes. It's the incredible variety of features. A fantastic phono stage, USB output, and Bluetooth 5.0 are all included. You may listen to vinyl using headphones or powered speakers with the latter. There's also a cartridge included. We can't think of any turntable with as many features or as well integrated packaging. The Audio-Technica at LP120XBT has a drawback. The wireless audio quality is adequate, but it falls short of less priced turntables such as the Sony PS-LX310BT. Despite the presence of Bluetooth 5.0, this is the case. If you're looking for the best wireless performance, Sony is the way to go. The Audio-Technica, on the other hand, takes care of everything else. The LP120XBT is the turntable to acquire whether you're new to the world of turntables or seeking for a solid, reliable platter for your hi-fi system. An affordable turntable should be simple to set up and operate. Both of these criteria are met by the Audio-Technica at LP60X. It's as self-contained as a turntable can be, including a function that detects if a record requires 331 or 45 RPM speed. The sound isn't fantastic, but it's still rather good. Other inexpensive versions, such as the Victrola Journey, pale in comparison. There's a reason Audio-Technica is at the top of our ranking on both counts. It's because no one else can do what they do when it comes to turntables. The LP60X has certain drawbacks as a cheap turntable. One of them is a lack of dynamic range, or the capacity to reproduce very loud and extremely quiet sounds. If you prefer listening to movie soundtracks or classical music, this might be an issue. We think it's ridiculous that Bluetooth isn't more widely used in the turntable sector. Especially considering how great the Sony PS-LX310BT performs. It just takes a few seconds to pair, and you'll be able to listen to vinyl via wireless headphones or a wireless speaker in no time. Bluetooth audio might sound tinny and stripped down at times, but that isn't an issue here. The audio is clear and sharp, and the PS-LX310BT is a breeze to use. We think it's a good match for the Audio-Technica at LP60X. That dish is so basic that it almost runs itself. The Sony PS-LX310BT has excellent wireless performance, but there are cheaper competitors with superior sound. The Audio-Technica at LP120 is just $30 extra, yet it delivers sound that is light years ahead of the competition. Even the Crosley C6, which costs $179, sounds better. None of those devices have wireless capabilities, and none of the models on this list do wireless as well as the PS-LX310BT. However, it isn't the most appealing model here. We don't generally advocate purchasing turntables for less than $50. The Byron Statix KCT601 is an exception, and it's ideal for beginners. It produces tremendous sound and, like the Victrola turntable, is packaged in a suitcase. It's the perfect turntable to grab on the way out the door. Because of the metal structure, it can withstand a few hits. It's important to keep in mind that the KCT601 is rather weighty. The KCT01 is about quadruple the weight of the Victrola model above, weighing in at 6.6 pounds. Although the metal structure is durable, you'll need strength to carry this around. Although the model we've mentioned doesn't have it, there is a KCT601 variation that does. Bluetooth 5.0 is the most sophisticated form of Bluetooth accessible. We haven't gotten a chance to put it to the test yet, but we will when we do. We're surprised Denon's turntable products haven't wowed us yet. It's a conundrum since they create fantastic equipment. On the surface, however, a model like the DP300F seems to be fairly excellent. It's made to compete with the Audio-Technica at LP120XBT, and it comes with an excellent set of features. One of them is a powerful phono preamp. With automated operation, we believe it is also simpler to operate than the LP120XBT. The specifics, however, are the source of the DP300F's issues. Denon employs a proprietary cartridge that, to be honest, isn't very good. If you decide to purchase this turntable, we highly advise you to get an Ortofon cartridge. It will be of considerably better quality, greatly improving the sound of this turntable. While the DP300F is a fine choice for now, there are better solutions.